Quick video just showing you something that's happening on YouTube. You probably did know about, but we'll show you anyway. Yes, short feed ads are coming. So obviously you've got to be a creator who's got more than 1,000 followers. So you've passed all the tests and you have monetized your YouTube channel. But from February the 1st, which is, well, 20 days away, 24, 26 days away. It's not even 26 days away. It's 16 days away. I've only just got up. You can turn it on. So I'm going to now turn on my monetization. Here we go. Press the magic button. And, well, let's just show you this. So I've not done many YouTube shorts, and I'm going to be making more videos today about Repurpose, which is a fantastic tool I use, which has been updated, but I'm going to get my TikTok videos. I'm just going to start banging everything everywhere, including YouTube shorts, even if they're not specifically related to software, to be really honest with you, because obviously YouTube are pushing YouTube shorts, and here we go. So from the 1st of Feb, I will get 45% of any ad revenue for any of my videos that show on YouTube Shorts. I think it's 55% of the ad revenue on the normal videos. But it's quite impressive, isn't it? So there you go. There's my terms. I think that's the same for everybody. I don't think anybody gets a magic number. I think everybody gets 45%. So even more reason to try and get your YouTube channel going. Even more reason to get, up to 1,000 subscribers. It's not easy on YouTube, I know. But if you can do it, and if you can get those YouTube shorts out there, this is why I'm trying to tell you, if you can sort of try and get a jump on everybody else, because there might be people who are successful on TikTok, but they haven't got a YouTube account. I would imagine YouTube accounts with over 1,000 viewers are going to become quite valuable now. But there you go, quick video. Now do watch the series of videos I am going to be uploading over the next few days on Repurpose, all right? Because Repurpose is one of it. Of all the things I use, I think it's the one that, when you pay a subscription to something every month, it's the one I definitely do not begrudge paying. It's not expensive. It allows me to post a video on TikTok, and I've just been setting it all up again, because when I first set it up, possibly like everybody, when you first do something, you do it wrong, and you don't do it the best way. So yesterday, I completely wiped everything, all my connections. So basically, on Repurpose, you have sources, which is where you get your videos from, and destinations where you take your videos to. But I'd labeled mine all wrong, so that, well, I just didn't know which. For example, one destination could be a specific playlist on YouTube, or the same with the sources. So I've labeled them, and I'm going to make a video. And I think if you follow that video with Repurpose, you won't go wrong. Oh yeah, and try it out, because in my special link gives you 20% discount if you subscribe. One little plug at the end. All right, everyone. So exciting times. YouTube Shorts, 45%. I've just accepted the terms for mine. And now I've got to pull my finger out and start making more YouTube Shorts. See you soon, everyone.